Hi everyone, I'm Roger, a gadget guy, and today's going to be fun because this is the Tronsmart Bang, and you can't even say that name without smiling. The manufacturers of this call it a party speaker. They sent it to me without conditions, and they're not paying me, so I can say whatever I like, and I will. On the front of the box, they say the sound is impactful. Who wouldn't want that? And on the back, it gets intriguing. There's a patented sound pulse audio feast. Who knows what that means? Maybe we'll find out. And it has a patented TuneCom technology. This lets you link multiple bangs together to get more sound. So two friends with bangs will be able to make their party twice as loud. Tronsmart say you can link up to 100 bangs, which would give you an ear-splitting 6,000 watts of power. It would also cost over $10,000, so I'm pretty sure nobody's going to do this. Interestingly, it says it's waterproof. I have to figure out how we can test that. The design of this thing is quite elegant and understated. That is until you turn it on. Then it lights up with multicolored lights at the front and at the ends. When the music comes on, these lights pulse on and off and change colors to the beat of the music. Pairing the Bang with your phone is super easy using the Tronsmart app, which you can find in the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once we've installed it, we open up the Tronsmart app and we go to the Tronsmart Bang, and then it does a search, it finds our device, and here we're on the home screen. The icon on the bottom right is the settings. Here we can select the input. The broadcast controls the TuneCom, where we link to other bangs. I can't test that, I don't have any other bangs. Then we have control of the LEDs. There are 3 LED modes, and we can manually change the color. We can go pink, green, or red, or any of the colors in between. The icon on the bottom middle is the equalizer. The customize button is really interesting because that gives us a graphic equalizer that we can play with and adjust the music to our tastes. This is a great feature, and I found that the adjustments are not too coarse, so we can fine-tune the sound just the way we like it. I've come outdoors to test the range. I'm going to walk that way down this quiet cul-de-sac and see how far I get before the music cuts out. First, I got to start it. Well, I got all the way to the end of this street. The speaker's way up there and I can still hear it playing. That's pretty good range. The battery life is good too. I had it running for several hours before recharging it using the USB-C port on the back behind this protective rubber boot. So what about the sound of the Bang? Well, I have on hand here for comparison the Bose SoundTouch. Now this is a much more expensive speaker, so it's not a fair comparison, but it's what I have. So here goes. I went through a bunch of songs of different genres, switching back and forth between the two speakers. Overall, the Tronsmart Bang is very good. The bass on the Bang had a little more punch than on the Bose, and cymbals and percussion had a little more clarity and presence. The Bose had a little bit more forward and natural sounding vocals, but there really wasn't a big difference between the two. They're both party speakers. The Bose is for polite cocktail parties, and the Bang is for rowdy beach parties. Pushing the sound pulse button on the Bang, there was just a little bit more definition in the bass and a little bit airier treble, but the difference was subtle enough that I could live with it either way. Either speaker would work well for background music in a workshop or kitchen, with the Bang having the added advantage of splash and dust resistance. This is Kim, and she has a bucket of water to see if the Tronsmart Bang really is waterproof. It sounds like it's filled with water. We'll see what happens when it dries out. So what we got to do while it's full of water is to shake it out a little bit. And then we should be able to try it. Well, it's playing perfectly now. If it can stand a bucket of water like that, it should have no problem with a few splashes at a party or even a few drops of rain. Is the Bang worth the asking price? I'd give that an unqualified yes. It's attractively designed, it's well featured, it's built to take a few knocks. It's reasonably priced and it sounds great. If you like this video, then give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, just pretend you never saw it. If you buy any products through the links in the description, it won't cost you any more, but it will help to support the channel and is greatly appreciated. That's all I had for today. Thanks for watching.